Hello everyone. Hi, this is G Samantha, and today we are going to discuss some basic details about MSDS. And our topic are what is MSDS? Should I call it SDS or MSDS? Which one is correct? Uh, Point number three is purpose of SDS and responsibility related to the SDS. Who should author or compile an SDS? Which regulation should follow for SDS authoring? When should you update or revise your SDS? So total 7 points we are going to discuss today. So let's go my first topic, that is what is SDS. What is SDS is MSDS or PSDS. Simply, Material Safety Data Sheet is a technical document with standard 16 sections which provide details and comprehensive information about the hazards and properties of chemical substance or mixture and provide advice of safety precaution, and also provide the use, storage, handling, emergency procedures, all related to the hazards of the material. Now, point number 2 is SDS or MSDS, which one is correct? Actually, MSD stands for Material Safety Data Sheet and SDS stands for Safety Data Sheet. The SDS is the international form of Material Safety Data Sheet. Before SDS, before GHS adoption, it was called MSDS. But after GHS adoption, it is called as SDS. Actually, MSDS comes with multiple format and SDS comes with one standard format, and that have total 16 sections in a standard way. The conclusion: in early days it was called MSDS. Now all MSDs are compliant with GHS regulations and we should call it SDS. Now purpose of the SDS. What is the purpose of SDS? It is intended for the downstream users of your supply chain to communicate information about what the hazards of product are, what are the precautions should take, how to use the product safely, what to do if accident occur, how to recognize the symptom of overexposure and first aid, how to store, how to handle the product. As a result, employee can themselves with protect themselves from hazardous chemical exposure and to work safely with chemical product. So SDS information will reduce accident injuries in the workplace. Responsibility related to the SDS. What is the responsibility of manufacturer and supplier? Actually, manufacturer and supplier should create or obtain updated SDS and provide to the downstream user of the hazardous chemical. So, manufacturer and supplier should create or obtain the MSDS and should provide this SDS to their downstream user along with their chemical product. And what is the responsibility of employer? Employer should ensure that an up-to-date HDS is obtained from manufacturer and supplier. Ensure that the employee is instructed about all content of HDS. Manage updated HDS are readily available in workplace. Now, what is the responsibility of worker and employee? Follows all instruction and training provided by the employer in order to safe handle of chemical in workplace. Ensure their HDS are readily available in their workplace and know where the HDS is located. Who should author and comply an HDS? Your supplier is responsible for providing accurate safety data sheet with danger chemicals. The supplier might be the manufacturer or importer or distributor. Provide enough and accurate information in HDS to make sure that the chemicals can continue to be used safely. Which country regulation should follow for HDS authoring? HDS are prepared by following standard rules and regulations. Supplier must comply the HDS based on market where the product are being used or exported. For example, if your product uh, are going to export in US market, then you should create a HDS according to OSHA HACCP standard. If your product land in European market, then HDS are prepared according to REACH Annex 2 regulations. In Canada market, HDS are prepared according to OHIMS 2015. China market prepared according to GBT 16480-2008. For Australian market, Model Code of Practice for Preparation of Safety Data Sheet for hazardous chemical. For Japan market, HDs are prepared according to these regulations, and also many more. When should you update or revise your safety data sheet? Chemical manufacturer, importer, distributor who get aware of any new significant information regarding hazardous property, chemicals, physical properties, and regulatory data updates shall revise and update the HDS within certain time period. Time limit can be vary in different regulations, like REACH regulation. Supplier should update within 12 months. In OSHA regulations, manufacturer, importer, distributor should revise within 3 months after getting update. OHIMS regulations, all for any update should be done within 30 days, and HDS should be revised every 3 years. For China, Singapore, update within 6 months and revise should be within 5 years. Thanks all for giving your time, and if you have any queries regarding HDS authoring, or if you need any kind of help in hazardous communication standard, please contact us. My email address is pictonehs@gmail.com. Thank you.